You say you have no time, but time isn't real. I mean, yeah, time is happening. We're traveling through it, but it can be bent and distorted. That's not the point though. When you know you should be doing something, but you aren't doing it, what's your excuse? I don't have the time. Oh, I'd love to, but I don't have the time. Time isn't real. Imagine the clock had never been invented. Imagine the sun was always up and you never had to sleep. Would you have time to do all the things that you want to do? All the things you know you should be doing? If you wake up half an hour late and you look at the clock and you think, oh man, there's no time for that workout today, I'll skip it. Just so that you can show up at work at the time that you want to show up. Oh, I'd love to draw this afternoon, but I got to do this and that, so I'll skip it. The better way to look at it is, here's the routine, here's what I've got to do today, and I'm going to work my way through it, and it's going to get done. Wake up, no matter what time it is, go and make coffee, don't even look at the clock, and the next thing you have to do after the coffee is work out. So you go work out for as long as it takes, into the shower, get ready for the day, drink a protein shake, maybe have another coffee, get some sun, and then you're ready to head into the studio for work. It doesn't matter what time it is when you get there, because as soon as you get there, you've got a load of things that you need to do as well, and you just have to work your way through those things just the same. Maybe some things that are at the bottom of the list don't get done that day, but they just go onto tomorrow's list. And so this way, you won't rush anything, because when you rush things, that's when you put out mediocre work that's just not up to your standard. But if there's no time and there's no deadlines that you have to meet, then all you have to do is put in the work, and if there's no pressure, it's much more enjoyable, so the work will be better. Obviously, certain things have to be done at certain times. Meetings, picking someone up, things like that. That's the exception, but you just work around that and you'll still get everything in that you need to get in. I remember reading this National Geographic article ages ago about the Hadza. They're a tribe in Tanzania. The journalist that was visiting them wanted to arrange a time to meet them, and they said, yeah, we'll meet you at this tree when you arrive. And 3 weeks later, when he did arrive, there was a dude waiting at the tree. And he was like, how did you know? How did you know I'd be here? And the way they knew where to be and when was all based on the moon, because they don't have clocks. They tracked the moon's phases, and when they thought that enough time had passed, they set off for the tree. And the journalist asked when he got there, you been waiting long? And the dude replied, no, only a couple of days. And I thought, man, that's the way to be. That is the way to be. Just chilling. No worries. I think time gives you unnecessary anxiety. Lately, I compare everything to survival and basic, primitive, hunter-gatherer lifestyle, because I believe that that is the natural way that we're supposed to be living. And right now, we've took it too far with all the agriculture and built up civilizations and all that. And the body doesn't know how to adjust to that yet. And I think that when we were living in nomadic tribes, we wouldn't wait for the right time to hunt or look for food if we were hungry. The right time was when we were hungry. So it was something that we knew we needed to do. So we got off our arse and we did it.